Alright friends, welcome back to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out the Zmunited active noise cancelling wireless stereo headphones. Has 600 mAh battery capacity, high-end headband, slim compact form factor, equipped with wireless music and call. Frequency range 2.4 gigahertz. Airplane adapter also included. Folding design, built-in HD microphone, compatible with smartphone and tablet, and a 3.5 millimeter audio cable. So a bunch of cool stuff there. This runs on Amazon for about 60 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description below. And I'm going to be doing a review video and demonstration as well, and that link will also be in the description below when I finish that. So here we go. The top is off, and we have some instructions there on top. Okay, right here. I'm guessing that is the airplane adapter. And then we have the 3.5 millimeter cord here. And it's about 4 feet long there. Actually tied a little knot in there. All right, what else do we have in the box? A little bag with some very small screws in there. Very tiny. And also we have USB to micro USB charging cord, looks like. Okay, now we have the headphones themselves, and they're all folded up there. So I guess the screws are replacements for these ones here in the side if we need to replace those or whatever. So let's see how these. Okay, so they rotate, and wow, those are pretty soft right there. Actually, real soft. So, feels quite supple. These are almost, how many degrees do these things shift here? They fold in that way and then this way, I guess. So quite compact there, if you want them to be. Appears to be fairly sturdy. I like that it comes with an extra piece there. Down here we have the controls. What do we have? Volume up, volume down, on, off, power button. We have, okay, the two little ports here. We have for the 3.5 millimeter audio jack there, and also the micro USB port right there to charge from. So it has a nice little dust cover on that. Looks like the microphone there. This says it's got an NC button right here on the side, probably for noise canceling, on or off. Okay, that actually lit up when I did that, so that's cool. It's got some charge on there. And I can turn on and off, so power on. So all in all, this looks like, just feeling this on the hands, it feels quite, like it'd be super comfortable actually. And this all feels pretty nice. This is adjustable here as well. So if you have a giant head, it's still going to fit you. It might even fit with this helmet on. So maybe not that much. That's kind of pushing it. It's pretty big. So it has right and left. I'm pretty excited to try these out. Get some nice noise canceling headphones are pretty good. Especially if you're like vacuuming the house or something and you want to throw on some headphones and listen to some music while you're doing that. That's kind of a good idea. That way you don't have to listen to the vacuum cleaner. And you can listen to something more appealing. Anyways, I will be doing the review video as soon as I check this out. So that'll be in here in a little bit. And you guys, you can stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching this unboxing video. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care out there. Bye.